Let me update you with the shitty situation we are in Melbourne, Victoria, let alone Australia. Welcome to the divided states of Australia. G'day YouTubers, I'm Mohr and welcome to my channel. Well, it's been over 5 weeks since I last put up a video. And yeah, what can I say? Over the last 5 weeks, I think we've only had one weekend which we have not been in lockdown. So yeah, situation here in Australia is pretty shit. So we are now in lockdown, I think number 6, I've sort of lost count. Ever since the pandemic more or less started, yeah, we've totaled close to 200 days of lockdown. So the current situation now that we're in, I'm allowed to travel to work and back home, yeah, I'm only allowed to travel within 5 k's of my home, and I'm only allowed to really go out for essentials, yeah, and so on. It's not good. As you can see, today's weather is beautiful. It's 20 degrees, you know, ideal riding weather, but unfortunately can't go anywhere. Now, we did have plans to do our trip in a couple of weeks' time. Well, we're not. That's all been cancelled. And it's very hard now to make any plans at all, because it doesn't look like things are going to be improving at all. In New South Wales, they're in the shit. Victoria is starting to show signs of going into the shit with this Delta strain, and yeah, they're very, very annoying. Yes, this is really not a type of video that I was going to put up, but I more or less have to get this shit off my chest, the way how I feel at the moment. It's very disheartening the way how things are going, making it so hard to put up any content, video content, you know, for you viewers. You know, it's just very annoying. Just recently I purchased a new car, and I bought myself a Kia Rio GT line, a 1 litre turbo, and I had to click and collect that vehicle. I've never ever had to do that before, and I'll put up some pictures of the car. Might even do a video around the car as well. And recently I got my vaccinations. I'm fully vaccinated now, and yeah, the reason why I did that is so I can get out there and travel. But the way how things are here in Australia, and how all the states have got their own premiers making decisions of when and to go into lockdown, vaccination rate. It's just all so hard and confusing, and also to know where we lie in the future in regards to having some form of freedom. It's very, very annoying. The federal government has set a target of saying that they want to have 80% vaccination before they start opening up everything in regards to lockdowns, or stop using lockdowns as a form of controlling the virus. But you know what, 80% is a pretty high target to reach. You know, I know other countries around the world, they've probably got like 50, 60, maybe 70% vaccinated. You know, 80%, man, that's a pretty big ask. I mean, I hope we do get there, because I don't know how much longer I can put up with the way how things are at the moment. Very depressing, you know. Only, you know, what can I say? Should I get up in the morning, go to work, and then on weekends I can't do anything? You know, I can't develop this channel the way I would like to in regards to travelling. Very annoying. Been able to go and see my mother, who's in an aged care centre. I'm not allowed to go in there, and yeah, I haven't seen her for a good 2 months now, and it's been really, really hard to try and contact her, because she's partially deaf. So it's, you know, it's not as if I can put her on the phone and have a bit of a conversation with her, because she just doesn't hear anything. It's very hard at the moment. But anyway, that's the way life is at the moment. And yeah, when I put up another video, I'm not too sure. When I get out there to travel, I'm not too sure. There's no point in making any plans at all, because yeah, they probably won't eventuate anyway. So as far as my YouTube channel is concerned, I would have to honestly say that things are going to be put on hold for a little while. I mean, I'll try and keep you viewers updated with situations, but I just don't want to keep going on about this fucking COVID bloody shit. You know what I mean? I just want to get out there and enjoy life, and unfortunately at the moment it's just not possible. Well, I'm going to head off to Woolworths, do some shopping, and head home. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, yeah, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. You know the drill. Hopefully next time I put up a video might be of something a bit more interesting than just going for a bit of a ride, and yeah, you know what I mean. I forgot to leave my keys in the bike. That would have been good. So, a QR. Get my phone out, QR. Oh jeez. This routine is draining.